Hello, everybody. Welcome to video number 10 in week number 2 of our course. We are moving right along, and I'm going to continue to do that by getting right to our PowerPoint. I'm going to share my screen and get into slideshow mode here very quickly. Today we are going to do a brief overview of use of time and time of day references. We're going to capitalize a little bit on what you learned in video number 8. So to recap just a little bit from that video, anytime you use time of day reference, make sure that you use AM and PM in lowercase letters, and of course use figures, as in these examples here. The spacecraft will launch at 4 a.m. NASA officials expect the spacecraft will safely land at 2 p.m. NASA officials said they will delay the launch until 5:30 a.m. NASA officials now say they will delay the launch until noon. NASA officials now say they expect the spacecraft to safely return at midnight. Now, notice we do not capitalize noon, we do not capitalize midnight, and we never use 12 p.m. noon or 12 a.m. midnight. We just use the words by themselves. If you want to, on occasion, if there is need for further clarity for the reader, you can write at midnight Tuesday, meaning 11:59 p.m. You can also construct something like this on occasion. NASA officials say weather has delayed the spacecraft's return until 2 o'clock Thursday morning. But this is the preferred way, 2 a.m. Thursday. We only include the time of an event when it is absolutely necessary. And for most of news stories, it's not. It's more important in press releases, which usually announce a very specific time when an event is going to take place. But it's okay to use the time in events such as these. The city's curfew goes into effect at 8 o'clock. Biden will address the nation at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Olivia Rodrigo will hold a press conference at noon to introduce her new album. So again, it's really about does the time have specific consequence to the reader or to the reporter who needs to be at an event to cover it in a press release. So in this case, the mayor talked with his cabinet at 4:30 p.m. Monday to discuss global warming. So here, the question to ask yourself is, would it be consequential if the discussion had taken place at 4 p.m., 4:15 p.m., or 3:30 p.m., or maybe even noon? If the answer is no, then only write the time of day. The mayor talked with his cabinet Monday to discuss global warming. Sometimes when writing a time, you really have to make a reference to month. All right, to a month. Spell out when it precedes a year. The new TV series will premiere in January 2022, but abbreviate when including a date. The new TV series will premiere January 16th, 2022. Not all months actually take an abbreviation, so make sure you look up the exceptions in your AP style book. Right? Now, for time sequences, spell out this. The magician held his breath for 3 hours, 13 minutes, 27 seconds, probably dead by now. But use figures for most sports sequences, such as this. The Olympic hopeful from Alaska, Lydia Jacoby, won gold in the 100-meter breaststroke Saturday with a time of 1 minute, 4 seconds, 95th hundredths of a second. And so those are some of the more commonly referenced uses of time. Again, you should look at all of the rules and learn them as quickly as you can. Mostly you learn them by doing them, apply them. You will have both a exercise assignment on this to help you prepare for a quiz, which will be due on Thursday. The details will be posted in week module 2, so take a look at that. And then it will be about time to make sense of the AP style rules for dollars and cents, and also the correct use of titles in videos, number 11 and 12. So I will see you all there unless any of you need to meet with me ahead of time. Take care.